Recovering a permanently deleted Minecraft account is extremely difficult, if not impossible, especially if the official recovery grace period of 30 to 60 days has already passed. However, if your account was deleted by mistake, lost due to login issues, or even compromised by a hacker, there is still a small possibility that you can recover it with the right steps. If you are unable to log into your account, it usually means one of two things. Either the account has been deleted or someone else has gained access to it. In such situations, the only reliable way to attempt recovery is by reaching out directly to the Minecraft support team. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. First, open any browser on your phone or PC. For this demonstration, I'm using a phone, but the process is the same on a computer. In the search bar, type Minecraft Contact Us and hit search. From the results, click on the official Minecraft help or contact support page. This will take you to a form where you need to enter your details carefully. Now start filling in required information one by one. Language, select English. Game title, choose the version of Minecraft you play. Platform you play on, select your device. Since I play on PC, I select PC. Next, you'll see the category of your question. Here, choose Account Support, especially if your issue is related to a deleted, lost or hacked account. After that, move to the subject of your question and select Microsoft sign-in issues or anything closely related to login problems. Now, enter your personal details such as your name, email address and in-game username. Make sure these are accurate as this is how the support team will identify your account. The most important part comes next, explaining your issue. In the description box, clearly write what happened to your account and request assistance in recovering it. Keep your explanation honest and detailed. You can use a sample message which you can customize based on your situation to make this easier. Additionally, if you have any proof of ownership such as purchase receipts, transaction IDs or screenshots of your account, attach them. These significantly increases your chance of successful recovery. Once everything is filled out, click on Submit. After submission, you should receive a confirmation email from Minecraft support. If you don't receive any response, don't worry. Try submitting the form again or repeat the process until you get a reply. This method is essentially your last and the best chance to recover a lost, deleted or stolen Minecraft account. So make sure you follow all the steps carefully and provide as much accurate information as possible. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor. I'll see you in the next one.